Today, I am going to show you how to make iceberg slime. So first, I have a bowl with glue in it. Then next, I'm actually going to try it with shaving gel. So, I'm going to put it in. Next, I'm going to get my stick and start mixing. So now I'm finished. So now I am going to look for the lotion. We'll go get it, and then I am going to put some in. Got the lotion, so I'm going to put them in. Now I'm going to mix it. So I mixed in all of the lotion. Now I am going to put in baby powder. So now I am going to put in baby powder. Oh, it's going everywhere. So I'm mixing in the baby powder and it's going almost everywhere. So I mixed all it in. So now I am going to put in food coloring. And I am gonna do it red or pinkish red. Now I start mixing. So the food coloring isn't really getting anywhere, so I am going to put a little more on the sides. So I'm all done mixing and it came out like a pinkish red, but now I am going to add a little bit more baby powder. Now I am going to add the activator, which is detergent, and it's Tide. So now add it. Now you can see how it's getting together, and then by the texture and how it is, now how you can tell how the slime is ready. And if it's not really getting together, add a little bit more glue. That can also mean that you added a little too much shaving gel. So yeah, I'm gonna go add a little more detergent because it's still sticky. More glue-like. So since after that, I'm gonna mix all of it. So now I'm gonna use my hands. Now it's not sticky because I added a little more of the detergent to make it less sticky.